Hi, this is Phil Seamer. I'm going to talk you through how to use Poll Everywhere with PowerPoint to do real-time formative assessment of students. So first, you have to create a Poll Everywhere account. And once you do, you can log in, go to My Polls, and your polls are really where you create your questions. So I would suggest once you get in here, just clicking on group. So you'll have to click on ungrouped first, but if you click on group, then you can make a new group of questions. So I made parts of speech questions, and I have a few in there already, but then if you want to add a new question within the group, you can just add a question there. And to add a question, you just put your question up here, and what I'm doing is parts of speech, but I'm capitalizing the words that I want students to identify. Then you put your answers in here. And once you have that, you can create the question. And then you want to highlight all of these. Another thing you'll want to do is download the presenter app. So if you download it, you just click on whichever presentation software you'd like to use. I have the PowerPoint going, and so once you get that and download it to your computer, then you're going to want to open the presenter app. So the presenter app, I've got it open here. It just looks like this, gives you all your groups. So I'm going to select all of my grouped question, the parts of speech questions. Then you click on Insert Polls, and once you do that, it's going to create a new PowerPoint for you with all of your questions. So from there, then within PowerPoint, you can go ahead and present. And you can't see the whole slide, but see most of the slide there. This is the important thing you need to see. You have your students either go to this website on a computer, or on a cell phone they can just text this message to this number, and then they will join. And so I'm actually going to do that on my phone right now. So I'm in right now with my phone, and what I'm trying to do is identify the part of speech of the capitalized word, which is one there. That's a pronoun. So I'm going to text pronoun. Once I do that, it should show up. There it is. So then my answer shows up. So you get real-time feedback. Now, one thing you might want to know is that the feedback just kind of stays in there until you clear it. So once you go through your entire quiz, if you're going to do another class, then you're going to want to go back into Poll Everywhere. So once you get in there, just refresh this and it'll probably show my one response. So it shows my one response, so you can go into that question and then right here it's clear poll results, so you can reuse your test. Another thing you'd want to know is that once you're done, if your students are using cell phones, then you should have them write the message leave, text that back to the number, and then that will close them out of Poll Everywhere. So I think it's really nice. The free version, at least, you can't identify which student answers what way, but it does give you just kind of quick feedback for either pre-testing or practicing before a test to see what you need to reteach or to really focus on for students. So I hope that's helpful.